Hi, today we'll talk about logic gates. Logic gates are an important concept if you are studying electronics. These are important digital devices that are mainly based on Boolean function. Logic gates are used to carry out logical operation on single or multiple binary inputs and give one binary output. In some in simple terms, if you say logic gates are the electronic circuit in a digital system. Now, what are the different types of logic gates? The basic logic gates are OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, XOR gate, and so on. Now, if you see addition to this, if NOT gate is combined to OR, it becomes NOR gate. If NOT gate is combined with AND, it becomes NAND gate. Again, you have XOR, exclusive OR gate, and exclusive NOR gate. Now we'll see about OR gate. OR gate, if you have, it is like two input, one output, and the output which is there, it's a addition of this two inputs. So OR gate, if you see the IC number, it's IC 7432. AND gate is again a multiplication of two inputs. Okay, so if you see the AND gate, the IC number is 7408. So it will be the multiplication of the inputs. NOT gate has one input, one output. So if your input is 0, it will be 1 because it is called as inverse gate. And if your input is 0, it will be 1. So NOT gate IC is 7404. Then we have NAND gates. Again, NAND gates is a combination of NOT gate and AND gate. So the output is the complement of multiplication. In the sense, it will have, when both the inputs are high, that is 1 1, the output will be 0. Whereas for other, if it is both are 0 or 1, the output will be always high. NOR gate, it's again a complement, addition of NOT gate and OR gate, complement of your addition of the inputs. So in this case, when both the inputs are low, that is 0 0, the output will be high. For the rest of the combination 0 1, 1 0, 1 1, the output will be always low. Exclusive OR gate is XOR gate is the output of two input XOR which attains state of 1 if 1 adds to the input and attains a state of 1. Exclusive NOR, again XNOR, which we say, that output of the XNOR will be when both the inputs are low or high, the output will be high. Otherwise, the output will be low. If you see application of logic gates, have a lot of application. They are used in different circuits, then such as your safety thermostat, push button locks, automatic watering system, light activated burglar alarms, so on. This completes a logic gate. Thank you.